Hey yo fam, it's your boy POSITIDE. You know what's up, you know the drill. We're back again with another hot umswenko. As you can see, no bana ndiphethe liqhobokazana lihle kangaka. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ndike ngangqama noba nimvuma ngubani igama lakhe, but ke as uba niyazi into yobana abantu apha ekhaya asibazisi, bazazisa ngokwabo. Sisom kunjani?
Right, njani bhuti?
Ndiyaphila nawe. Bendicela nje into yokubana ukhe ubulise bona ababukeli, ubaxelele into yokubana ungubani, wakwabani, wena usenza ntoni nje.
Hey babies, this is Mtakamakazi Uma Bia, the beauty baby. This is Beauty and Makiki on every social media, baby. You know, I pet Umswenko.
Oh,
you
yeah.
know the vibes.
Oh,
the
yeah.
fashion
Oh,
is my
yeah.
name,
Oh,
baby.
yeah.
And the gorgeous face. You know the vibes, Nana. And you know what? Maybe someday, maybe one day, you will see me on the television. Who knows?
Hey, I like that. Guys, niyayazi into yokubana sibaphathi apha abantu abanganayo i-oomph, abantu abanganayo vibe. This is Beauty. No man, no.
Please.
Khawukhe ukhe unikeze abantu bam. Cela ukhe unikeze abantu bam eli chiza wena ulisebenzisayo lento lokubana usoloko ubukeka umhle kangaka. Because mina ndiyayazi into yokubana you always looking so good. Ndiyakucela nje ukhe usifake nje apha ewardrobe yakho into yobana what's up, what's going on, what's the motive behind esi style esihle kangaka.
Ichiza abantu abakasisi, love yourself.
Okay.
Everything that you do it for you. If awenzela wena wenzela abantu, you'll be drained. There's more to mention, but love yourself, baby.
So this leya namhlanje outfit, how did you
Baby girl, as
Oh.
you saw, my man is wearing black. And then I started to come up with something that will, I
Yeah.
have to put black. Then I got red and yellow. But I saw my man wearing black. I was like, oh, I have the shoes, I have the vest that is black also.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Ngomsontozo naqonda ndifuneka ndibakhadlaze umgadlazo phambili bafazi. So ke nje ngabona uba mini bright. You know, babies, it's not raining. Akho dark, akho nto, ndaqonda white and them Nana.
Hayi ndiyakuthalela abantu abanesitayile bayayazi into yokubana benza
Bayayazi, you know.
Umntu uthe ivule iwardrobe abeqonda uba okay, ama pick this, ndiyayazi abantu bazohlanya. And look at us here. Ubukeka
Into
umhle
endikayo ke
kakhulu.
ngonihlanya because le nto isegazini ngayithola emavuma.
Eish, sisazohlanya utsho ne.
Sencinci andikaboni into.
Nkosi
Xa
yam.
sendiza-afford. Ngoba ngathi nibona uBeyonce. Ngoba ngathi nibona uRihanna.
Ngoku sesingathi siyambona ngoku. Cacela ubisekunkulu into
Inkulu ezayo.
Cela uphinde ubafake nje one-socials into yobana bangakufumana phi xa berhalela nje ubona.
Guys, on TikTok, I'm Beauty and Makiki. On Instagram, la account ndigqiboyivula, guys. Follow me, guys. If unfollow isho Mntamakazi. Zawuphosana ne-style, uba fantastic, be gorgeous, be precious, be there, be on, be. You know the vibes,
yeah,
baby.
bana.
You know Mntamakazi. So please follow me, guys, on Instagram. Please. You know it's Beauty and Makiki there.
Guys, mna kukhona into andani noba ndizobe ndiva ndodwa na. Umuntu une-voice kaDynasties khawuthi yila.
Yela Nomalanga. Enomalanga mntase ngwasekhaya baxela abantu ngwasekhaya. Xa uba ndingakwazi urepha.
And ninayo nokufana. Makathethi nyani.
Sizalwa ngutata oyi-1
Noba
Nomalanga.
singathetha izinto zawuxabanisa ifemeli. Guys, that's it from
Dumelang Abushinita Khanyisile, and I'm back again with another banger, another episode with all the fun, the trip, the fashion, and the culture and the lifestyle tour. I am here with one of the gentlemen inside the house of Nkanda Lifestyle. Please introduce yourself.
Alright, hey Chad. This is Manola here from Tata. What's up?
Yeah, guys, this very please introduce yourself. Ladies, so tell us,
No, I'm here for fun. I'm here for drinks.
Okay.
It's a Friday night. I mean, I'm just outside,
and it's ladies' night, so
Hey, I'm married, but hey.
Clock it. Man is taken, guys. Hey, clock it, Jonga. Okay, tell me. I see Utripile and everything is in check. So tell me, where do you get the inspo for your outfit?
Yo, man, I'm a hip hop head, you know, like,
Okay.
I listen to a lot of hip hop, you know, I'm inspired by the Rockies of this
Okay.
world, you know, by the Chris Brown of this world, Kanye.
Alright.
Biggest motivation, man.
Like it.
What's up?
Okay, so so if ever, since you are married, I don't know if you want to share your handles to the viewers. Some backbone follow your content and fashion, lifestyle. If you're comfortable with that as well.
Yeah. On IG, I'm only
Yeah.
on IG.
Okay.
Manolo Zulu on IG, yeah, that's why.
Clock it, guys. So you know, guys, what it is. But guys, you know what it do. It's still ladies' night. Apa enkandla lifestyle. And in particular, omnyoba sisi balava ba fine, ba hot. You know, umswenga, the trip. Baby girl, please tell us about Umpani. Who are you?
I'm Maxine from East London, currently located in Tata, and I'm currently doing my diploma in education. Yeah.
Clock it. Future teachers right here, my babe. So tell me, what are you doing here today?
I'm here to celebrate my birthday, 21, with no kids.
Clock it, 21 with no babies. You know what it do. I'm 20 some, I'm above 21. 20 something, and I'm not babies. So,
Let's
nobody's
go,
fucking, guys. Nobody's fucking. I'm clock it. All right, then. So tell me, your outfit, what inspired you the way you dress today?
I saw this info on Instagram.
Okay.
I saw some influencer wearing this
Okay.
dress.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I also saw these heels similar to Steve Madden heels,
Okay.
but I got them at the fix.
All right.
Yeah.
Clock it. Let them join, guys. Shy 360 go. 360 go. 360 go. 360. Birthday girl outfit. Clock it, okay? So if people want to know where you are and know where to follow you for your, for the way you dress, for your content and all that, where can they find you and as who?
I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and on TikTok.
Okay.
Maxine Aaron.
Guys, gents, are you single?
It's complicated.
Gents, it's complicated. It means that it's nothing. You can shoot a shot. Maybe she'll, give you a chance. All right. Thank you so much. That's it from us to you. Mwah.